No, there are financial cluster, there are marketing, agriculture, co-ops, transport co-ops, education advocacy, the co-ops is specialized in training. So all of that, no? Ang aton cooperative, a lot of cooperatives. So gina-honor natin na sila for the month of October, giving them special treatment, kumbaga, because they are significant to the, not only to the economic aspect, no? Giving additional livelihood, additional income to the entire membership. So more or less, ang direction of this press conference is to make cooperative a significant and a force to reckon with in the near future. So subong nagkapabatsyag ng cooperative sa all aspect of our lives. We are contributing sa community services. We are contributing to the economic side of our life, no? Ang mga members ginabuligan man nato. So siguro as we go along with this press conference, we will reiterate the significance and the importance role of cooperative in our community as well as for the entire country. For that, good morning sa tanan.